In the 80s, the idea of a professional cleaning solutions company was like sailing against the tide. Yet, I saw an opportunity where others saw resistance and that defined everything that I am today. Cleanliness is next to godliness. It's something I have always believed in. In my time, most people relied on traditional ways of cleaning, whether in industries or at home, which never truly achieved hygiene. From those years of experience, I sensed that we would need safer and more reliable solutions. That's why, in 1985, I began this journey to create them.
What began as an industrial hygiene solutions manufacturing unit has also grown into a company serving homes, personal care and vehicle care. For us at Cleangem, safe and sustainable formulations form the heart of what we develop and distribute to our clients. Before our cleaning solutions reach you, we research, test and conduct trials of what we develop in our microbiology laboratory. Our laboratory has done more than develop customized cleaning solutions in different forms and quantities. We create water-based products where needed, keeping them environmentally friendly, while also offering concentrated professional formulations for those who need extra strength. Over the years, this has translated into solutions for kitchens where counters gleam without compromise, vehicles where every surface feels as clean as the first ride, homes that feel naturally welcoming, fabrics that remain gentle against the skin, and personal care that supports health and hygiene. Cleangem is proud to be more than a business, earning the trust of customers across multiple industries. We at Cleangem take pride in being more than just a business. We are an evolving company that creates jobs and livelihoods, shaping communities. From the lab to your hands, every bottle carries a cleaning solution tailored to your work for you and for the world around you.
Our journey has been a satisfying journey so far. Taking our 3 decades of expertise in cleaning solutions, we have successfully ventured into eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Now we want to take a step further and develop plant-based cleaning solutions so that we take care of our Mother Earth while we take care of you.